All right, welcome back to the channel. I'm Katina and I'm going to show you how to connect your domain name to your sales funnel. This is for loan officers that own Easy. And so here we go. And you know what? Before we get started too, shout out to Coach K for bringing this wonderful sales funnel to us at such an affordable price. All right, so right now I am looking at the realtor funnel. So I'm just going to go back. You see right here, it says the realtor funnel. So I am going to click edit. See right here, edit. All right, it's loading. Now, if you already have, what I'm going to do is I need to make sure that my link is working. If somebody gets to my sales page and they are trying to join right now and sign up, where do they go? So what I just did is I clicked on this where it says sign up now. That's going to open up information over here on the right. So you scroll down, you see it says text, sign up now. But if you continue looking, it says button actions right here, button actions. So if you click this drop down arrow, there are different actions, but we're going to leave it on website URL. So leave it on website URL, then you just click right here and you click on paste, or you type in your domain name. So mine is debtcleanse.com/Katina Willis. That's it. Then you save it. You save it and you publish it. Now over here is asking about SEO. So sure, you can update SEO. And also, if you wanted to change stuff, if you wanted to change text, you could do it right here. You just click, right? You just click and you can make stuff bold. You can make stuff italic. You can make stuff text underlined. And you can use AI to do something, probably to improve the title if you wanted to. All right, but right now I am going to scroll down. I want to check all of my boxes, all of my join boxes. I want to make sure it has what I want it to have. So you see right here, here's the second join now button. And if you look over here, it has code in there. So I'm going to just double click it, press Control V. Now I'm using a Windows computer, so I don't know what you Apple users are doing or need to do, but I am clicking Control V and that's going to paste it, or you could just double click and type it, www. Right? You could just type it. I don't like doing that. I like to just go straight to my website. And in a minute too, I'm going to show you how to flip-flop back and forth to different screens. So here's the last join now button, right? So I was already in here earlier and I already updated that. So it has my link. Now I'm going to click on publish right here on the right hand side. Now what I like to do, I always like to open a different screen and test it. I want to test it and see what it looks like. These buttons right here, this will show you what it looks like on the desktop and what it looks like on mobile. Right? But I'm going to just go to another screen and okay, let me go back really quick. I need to, okay, this right here is so I'm just clicking that refresh button and I am going to click sign up now. So I just tested it and as you can see, it went to my Debt Cleanse page. It has my link. So that is pretty much it. But just to make sure you got it, let's go through this one more time. And I'm going to try to start from the beginning this time. So I'm just going to go back. And again, once you purchase this funnel system, you do have a bunch of sites. As I mentioned before, get familiar with all of the links over here on the left. So I'm going to just click sites to see all of my sites, or let me click back. As you can see, we get 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We get 5 funnels when we get this system. I have a couple more because I copied existing funnels in case I messed up as I was trying to figure it out. I like to go in and play with systems as soon as I get it so that I can help other people to get started, right? So let's click on the start renting one. I don't think I saw that. I didn't see this. So again, I clicked stop renting, right? The last funnel. I'm going to click stop renting. And as you can see, it says right here, please add a domain in the settings to see your funnel live. Now, I haven't thought of a name yet, so I'm not going to add a domain, but I will show you how to edit. So again, we're going to click on edit. And so we are going to, okay, this is step 1. So now if you wanted to change the video, you would simply click right here on the video and then right here it says change video, right? So don't do that if you don't already have like a video and a YouTube channel. So don't do that. But I'm just going to click on preview real quick because I don't know what's in here. So, okay. It looks like, oh, this looks like a nice landing page. So I'm definitely going to get a, domain name for this. Now, but let's go back because there are 2 steps to this stop renting funnel. There are 2 steps. So let's click step 2 and see what it looks like. Step 2, and I'm going to click again. I'm going to click edit. And all right, here we go. Here's a join now button. So let's click on it. And then let's go over here on the right-hand side panel. And then look, once again, it has this code. So I'm just going to select all that text. I just did a click, right? Uh-oh. Oh, boy. Oh, I got to start over. Hold on. Okay, so I'm just going to click it. And then I'm going to press Control V and boom. It added my URL. I'm going to click Save. It wants to update SEO again. So, and SEO means that when people are searching online, that they can be directed to your page. So SEO means search engine optimization. A search engine is Google, in case anybody didn't know, right? In case anybody didn't know, a search engine is Google. So when somebody goes to Google and say, I'm tired of renting, I want to become a homeowner, they just might be directed to your page. So as we see, a join now page is here, button is there, and a join now button is here. So I'm going to click on this bottom one as well. I'm going to select it and I'm going to Control V again. Now I got to think of a cool URL name or domain name because I really like how this site looks. And so, yep, again, if you wanted to change, again, before we leave, shout out again to Coach K. I love these funnels. They are so helpful. They were so necessary, and they are so going to help us get so many more customers and leads for our own easy mortgage business. So that's it. That's all I have. Please post any comments or questions that you have below. If you want to be a own easy mortgage loan officer without taking an exam, don't hesitate to comment below and just ask me for the link and I will be happy to send it over to you. So I'm Katina. Thanks for watching this video and take care.